Imagine detecting diseases just by listening to a cough. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, Google has made it real. Introducing an AI that can analyze your cough and spot signs of illnesses. This AI listens to the sound of a cough and matches it with patterns of known diseases, providing early detection like never before. No more waiting for hours at the clinic. A quick cough into your phone could be all it takes to get insights about your health. Google's cutting-edge technology could revolutionize healthcare, making it faster and more accessible for everyone. Want more amazing tech updates? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. The future of health is here.